On a blade of seagrass, something tiny is feeding. Green, soft, almost glowing. It looks like a cartoon sheep, but this creature is not trying to be cute. It is doing something almost impossible. This is the leaf sheep sea slug. Barely 5 millimeters long, yet it performs a trick no other animal has mastered. It eats algae, but it does not just digest them, it keeps part of them alive. Inside its body, the slug stores chloroplasts, the structures that plants use to capture sunlight, and then it uses them. It steals sunlight and turns it into energy. This process is called kleptoplasty. Klepto, to steal, plast for chloroplast. The slug cells adopt these stolen structures, spreading them across its back, until it becomes something else entirely. A living solar panel. With enough stored chloroplasts, the leaf sheep can survive for weeks without eating, sustained only by light. A tiny animal that quietly crossed a line in biology and learned, in its own way, to become a plant.